What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI mode if it's not responding or working properly. First, open Google and try using AI mode again. If it doesn't respond, check your internet connection and make sure your browser or Google app is updated. Next, close and reopen the app or browser, then try accessing AI mode again. You can also clear the browser or app cache and sign in to your Google account again. If AI mode is still not working, try using a different browser or device to check if the problem is account or device related. And that's it. These steps can help you troubleshoot Google AI mode when it's not responding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Peace!